What's going on, YouTube? It's Astronaut H, and I'm here with another video. But before we get into all that, I'd like to ask y'all to do a few things for me. Could you please like, share, and also subscribe to the channel? And if you would like to see anything else that I got going on over here, could you please hit that notification bell? Now that that's out the way, let's get what we here for. You guys read the description of the video, so if you like me, you know what you're here for. Let's get into it. Right now we have another unboxing, and if you read the description, you know what we unboxing. We have another pickup from Saya Collective. This particular shoe, you know, I've seen it online from other people that posted it. I seen it from the actual brand, you know, Saya Collective. If you're a part of the Saya family, shout outs to you. You know, this particular shoe, I was fortunate to actually I pre-ordered it. Yeah, I pre-ordered it. Shout out to everybody that trusts the process when they do pre-order. You know, because a lot of people don't, you know, respect the process or trust the process, and you know, they feel away, you know, when things don't, you know, be as fast as Amazon or something like that. But what I will say is I definitely hit the pre-order on this particular shoe. You know, this shoe was a members exclusive. Shout outs to all the members of the Saya community. This is like, I'm be honest, I am very excited for this unboxing today. I've been on a little hiatus. I've been waiting to like get a few shoes to show you guys, especially this one in particular. So without, you know, getting any long-winded, you know, let's just get right into it. So, you know, we have the actual shipping packaging first, you know. Let's just crack him right open. We ain't even gonna play. You know, this time I don't have my usual cutting tool. I don't have that today, y'all. I got a pair of shears. So we're gonna get right into it. Y'all know what we here for. Y'all know what we came to do. And let me place that down. And without further ado, here we have the box, Saya Collective. If you guys can see that, 12, my size. We have the Saya Collective Vulture Skate Bride of Chucky. Now, as you guys know, the Bride of Chucky actually, the Bride of Chucky was its own shoe. It didn't come with, it wasn't a pack. Like it was a whole Halloween thing that Saya definitely did last year. So if you was fortunate enough to able to cop the Freddy and Jason, that was a pack. It was two different shoes. This particular shoe was of its own. There was no, you know, one shoe, other shoe with this one. But it was a Chucky Vulture created. It was a Chucky skate, and it was also a Chucky Vulture. If you was fortunate enough to be able to cop either one of those. I didn't think they was like for me, but again, you know, it's to each his own. You cop what you want to wear. We copping what we want to wear. We not just copping them and saving them, stashing them for. Nah, we not doing none of that. We wearing them. We wearing our pairs over here. So as you can see, the Somewhere in America is there. So let's get right into it. This is the most difficult part of usually when I open shoes, but let's try to make it quick today. Okay, yeah, we getting right into it. So you see we have the shoes there. Paper. Protective packaging this time around. Some more paper. And of course the coveted Saya shoes come in plastic. And there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. You have the shoe. You have the shoe. Look at the detail. You know, a lot of people be talking about like quality on shoes and leather and just, I mean, look at it. I mean, you can just look at the shoe and tell that it's made with quality. Like, that's Velcro there, but look at that. It's like genuine leather. Like, we're not even gonna cheat you. Like, this brand, we all know. If you're a avid Saya Collective shoe buyer, you know that quality is one thing that you do not get discounted on when it comes to your shoe. Look at it. Give you guys a 360 of the actual shoe. Now let's jump right into the details. So we have the white leather, of course, here. You see it. We have the white upper here with the black there. Look at that. That's beautiful. Again, Velcro. 2 Velcro straps to keep them down, but you also have your white laces there. Basically like the dress that she wears, if you're familiar with the movie, right there down the tongue. Saya Vulture, dead vulture. Let's go to the back. Vulture's there in red. That's actually stitched in, not like some type of pressed logo. That's actually stitched in there. You can feel that. The button there. I mean, quality. Look at that. The whole overall shoe. And then this is like her skin up here. And then the tattoo that she actually has in the movie. White sole, black bottom. Saya, Vulture there. Saya on the inside of the shoe also, if you guys can see. And we have Saya Collective, blah, 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 blah. If you know, the whole spin on the actual, you know, the behind the, you know, if you know, you know. I'm not even gonna get into all the details about what and who or why. Overall, man, just looking at it, it's just a great shoe. Just looking at it, it's a great shoe. Again, if you was fortunate enough to pick it up, kudos to you if you got it on pre-order and you respected the process. Catch you on the next one.